My subject is women working in sports. Women face unequal treatments, including stereotypes, pay, and qualifications. Gender discrimination reported by more than 40% of women working in a 2017 Pew Research study is a commonplace, even more so in workplaces dominated by men, where 62% of women say sexual harassment is a problem in their industry, and more than one-third report that their gender makes it more difficult to succeed at work. Who's to blame? Men are the current issue. Some of the first in the sports industry include journalism and media, administration and owners, coaches, and players. Lauren Jabara is the Colorado Avalanche NHL reporter and host, hired in 2019. Kim is one of the first women general managers for the MLB, hired by the Marlins in 2020. Lastly, Katie Sowers was one of the first assistant coaches of the NFL with the San Francisco 49ers in 2017. Here are two examples of stereotypical judgments by two PhD professionals. The salary of men versus women show all men get paid the most in any athlete position. Hockey and football are both given stereotypes, and if we give more opportunities for future generations, we can create more opportunities for them. If young girls do not see women on television, they are less likely to want the same goals. Here are my references for all of the pictures and the quotes. Thank you all for watching.